Hi, and today I'll be continuing off where we left off. In the last episode, we learned Science Form 3 2.5 Gaseous Exchange in Plants, Part 2 Diffusion of Carbon Dioxide. And this episode, which is Part 3, we will learn about the stomatal pore and the guard cells. So let's have a look at them. Now, this is the next part, and you can see two diagrams. This is a stoma when it is open, and this is a stoma when it is closed. Okay, so what you see, this hole here, this is called the stomatal pore. Okay, you should include stomatal. Whilst this part around the stoma is our guard cells. Okay, now we are going to have a look at when do stomatal pores close and open. So guard cells, these guard cells here, they contain chlorophyll to carry out photosynthesis. Okay, so these guard cells, they have their chlorophyll in there to carry out the photosynthesis. Okay, if you don't know what chlorophyll is chlorophyll is a organelle. If you don't know what an organelle is, it's an organ inside of a cell that allows the process of photosynthesis. Okay, it's needed for the photosynthesis process found in plant cells. Okay, now we're gonna look at when does the stomata open. The stomata opens during photosynthesis and when there's light. So during the day, the stomata will open. Stomata closes during dark and hot conditions. Okay, so stomata closes during the dark because there is no light to carry out photosynthesis, and also hot conditions to preserve its water, to keep its water, because a plant loses a lot of water, therefore it will close to save the water. And one more tip you need to know that always comes out in questions is that stomata are found under the leaves. As we learned here, stomata, this is the top, this is the bottom. Stomata are under the leaves here because they want to prevent water loss. Because if stomata are on the top, there's the sunlight, and the water, when the stomata is open, the water will evaporate quickly, so the water will be lost easily. But if it's on the bottom, they're not exposed too much to the sunlight, so it's not that long. It takes a long time for it to fully evaporate and lose its water. And that's it for this part of the subtopic. Thank you.